Starting around 02 August 2023, Algorand sort of is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.08% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which especially is genuinely critical. Algo for the most part has an extremely all-out market cap of $838,814,758, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $40,330,795 in an unobtrusive manner. This truly makes Algorand, Algo, beautiful positioning at 47 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Algorand sort of be worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Algorand a by and large wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Which for the most part is genuinely critical. Will Algo cost fundamentally outperform its unsurpassed high, which is genuinely huge? These most certainly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in a very significant manner. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. As per the Algorand gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost for the most part is supposed to cross an in every way that really matters, normal value level of 13 cents. The normal truly least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year, ought to sort of be 12 cents in a sort of significant manner. Besides, Algo can by and large arrive at an especially greatest value level of 14 cents. So Algo for the most part has a truly all-out market cap of $838,814,758, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $40,330,795. Algorand value expectation August 2023. The cost of Algorand truly is basically anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach it in every practical sense. Least worth of 10 cents in August 2023, in an unpretentious manner. The Algo cost could generally arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of 12 cents, with the especially normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023, in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value estimate September 2023. The normal cost of Algorand, Algo, could generally go to 12 cents, toward the finish of September 2023, in a by and large significant manner. Algo could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of 12 cents, with the kind of least expected cost of 11 cents, or so they sort of thought. Algo value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand basically is estimated to really be at around a very least worth of 12 cents, showing how Algo especially has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $838,814,758, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $40,330,795. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Algorand value worth can arrive at a limit of 13 cents, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 12 cents in United States dollars, in a fundamentally significant way. Algorand value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Algorand is supposed to in every way that really matters, be at around an especially least of 12 cents, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost can basically arrive at a fundamentally limit of 13 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand, Algo, value expectation December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Algorand cost essentially is gauged to in a real sense, arrive at a sort of the least cost of 12 cents, which truly is very huge. The Algo cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of 14 cents, with the genuinely normal expected cost around 13 cents. Algorand, by and large past value examination, in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially has been fundamentally diminished by 0.58%. In its sort of current worth, which in a real sense shows that on the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand especially be genuinely worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. Assuming we for the most part analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap by and large is additionally down, which generally is very huge. Algorand truly is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins. Fundamentally further appearance how Algo value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand most certainly is determined to sort of be at around a genuinely least worth of 12 cents, exhibiting how Algo has a by and large complete market cap of $838,814,758, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $40,330,795, or so they really thought. The Algo really is down to nearly 2.49% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days in an unpretentious way. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for truly past sort of couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't actually believe that it would a productive resource in by and large present moment, which generally is genuinely critical. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo generally diminished by 54.376%, dispensing with an astounding certainly normal amount of 13 cents from its especially current worth, showing how this truly makes Algo most certainly positioning at 47 in the digital money market, which basically is genuinely huge. This unexpected down really implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be an essentially great generally purchase of potential open door for pretty speedy venture, which truly is very huge. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 56.04%, and the cost basically coursed from an extremely least beautiful typical cost of 23 cents to exceptionally greatest normal cost of 25 cents in the genuinely beyond 90 days, which certainly is very critical. Algorand in every way that really matters is somewhere near 42.54% with the especially greatest truly normal cost of the coin, by and large was around 17 cents. And the kind of least truly normal cost of explicitly was around 16 cents in beyond 4 months. Pretty further appearance how Algorand value gauge November 2023. In November 2023 the cost of Algorand essentially is supposed to be at around a very least of 12 cents fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand value estimate 2023 facts. What will truly be Algorand truly worth in 2023? Extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Algo cost by and large is determined to fundamentally arrive at and in every way that really matters, greatest degree of 14 cents, with sort of least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, in a kind of enormous manner. Does Algorand basically have a future, which truly is genuinely huge? As far as value, Algorand really has a remarkable genuinely potential to arrive at new levels, which especially is very huge. It certainly is gauge that Algo will increment in esteem, showing the way that the Algo cost could really arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of 12 cents, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023, in an especially enormous manner. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business experts, Algorand can in every practical sense hit the greatest cost of